Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an Audi A4 2005. We're gonna do a timing belt on this bad boy.
Another engine job for her, so I'd say we get out of these nice clothes and get to work.
Yeah, let's do it.
That's more like it. Now I'm feeling ready.
Me too.
So the first step to get this timing belt done is to get it in service position. Not exactly sure how to do it, but we're gonna figure it out. Are you ready?
I was born ready.
Say that again, I missed it.
I was born ready.
That's right. There you go. Start taking these
Boogers out.
forks off. I think we might be able to just take off to where you're at right now and just pull it back. Not too sure. I actually flunked Audi A4 school, so
I applied. I got denied.
oh, look at that. Someone already took this bolt off for us. Nice.
What the hell?
It just vibrated out. Now the question is, do we even need it out?
I think we do, just because it was out already.
I know. It's the Audi telling us.
Yeah, it's the signs. Gotta follow the signs. Here. For you. This is the face I make while I'm doing bolts. I don't know why.
Extreme concentration.
Where'd you put those other ones at?
In my
your
pocket.
pocket where they're not supposed to go?
Yep.
What does your face look like whenever you're taking bolts off?
My face is like, right now, what the hell's holding this thing in?
What's that face look like? that was a really good face.
Oh, you missed one.
He missed one. Tell
Nope.
people
You did miss it.
he was under there too, but I missed it.
Yes.
Talk about the blame game. Let's do a vote in the comments of who thinks who missed it.
I'm gonna win that one.
Yeah. And your dreams.
Our nuts right here. Holding it on. Right behind door number 1.
Right there, you're on.
Okay. I just got rained on it and I just sat there and took it for a little bit. Like, dude.
There.
God damn it.
Get blasted in it.
The nut just hit me in the head.
Oh, that's nuts.
Last time I had nuts on my head was in college.
For the whole 2 months you were there.
Oh, look at that. We're one step closer. So yeah, we do need to take that out.
So how do you know that you need your timing belt changed?
You want to do a timing belt? You know, I don't know what they recommend on the mileage, but he's at 160 and he just wants it done so it doesn't break. Because I believe this is an interference motor, and what that is, you know, the piston and the valves, how they open and close.
Right.
Well, in a non-interference motor, the piston comes up and the valve could be wide open and they don't touch. An interference motor, that valve's open even a little bit, the piston's gonna come up, kiss the valve, and
Oh, well, that's kind of cool.
bye-bye motor. Change your belt so it doesn't break and, you know, have that happen.
Go, gadget ready. Oh my gosh.
It's just clips. Okay, before we really pull this thing all the way off, gotta make sure all our wires are disconnected. I guess that's my thing, talking like that right now. I don't know why, it sounds really stupid. Hold that side.
Stop doing it, then.
I can't. I'm committed.
He's committed.
Committed. We need to get this guy out of here. There's a 10 millimeter and a 13 millimeter down there that we got to get to. So we'll take the 10s off first.
Is it on?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Okay. I think we got everything disconnected off of it. Yep.
Sweet.
We're gonna take off these charge pipes to the intercoolers.
It's so hard to get it on here because of this thing.
Yeah. Aha!
Got her.
What else is preventing us from coming forward?
Oh, it's plugged into all that shit.
Yes,
Stuff.
Okay. Get nothing done.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I think our coolant hose, yeah, the bottom one is not allowing us.
We're hooked here too.
Yeah, I was thinking that one.
And here. Is that gonna be?
I was hoping this one would stretch out a little bit, but here, I'll show you guys something cool.
We love to see something cool.
If you've never seen these before, these hose clamp pliers, these are the greatest thing.
What makes them so great, Danny?
So what makes these really cool is one, you can get in really tight spaces with them, but go ahead and you stick them on your clamp, you squeeze, they lock, and then you just move it. And a lot of times when you're taking off hose clamps, they're in really tight spaces, and these are a lifesaver. Okay, so you're gonna take this hose pick and see how it's very sharp. You want to work it in there, but what I always do is I keep the point down.
Down so you don't poke it.
Yeah, we don't want to tear this because we don't want to replace it. So you're just gonna get it in there. Make sure your point's down and just work it in. Okay, now push it in more. Slowly work her in and then drag her around.
Do I need it still or just...
No, just get her off now. Okay.
Oh.
Very good. Good job, babe.
Oh, thank you.
Take off that. Okay, just let it kind of do its thing, see what happens. I think that should work. We spent a couple minutes off camera trying to figure out how to get this belt off.
But Danny figured it out.
We came up with I was gonna say a backdoor solution, but there ain't no back doors here.
No. If you're knocking, I ain't answering.
You gotta,
What do you mean?
you gotta pull. Oh, this way.
This way?
Yeah. Be careful because it's gonna slip off. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, you're good.
Dude.
I don't think that was the right way to do that, but it worked. So was it wrong?
I'm getting some in the splash zone.
Now, was it wrong? If it worked, is it wrong?
No.
You gotta get the dampener off. 6mm Allen. Now, I hate Allens because they strip super easy. So
He's not talking about you, Alan. He's talking about the rent, okay?
Yeah, Allen's expensive to strip. But yeah, we want to get this Allen. We want to make sure it's in there as far as it can be.
Right.
So we don't strip it. Because if we strip one of these bolts, then we get to take off this whole front end
And Eric's not going to be very happy.
Eric's not going to be happy at all.
Speaking of Eric, since we just brought him up again, I know we mentioned his band before. It's called We Predicted Riot.
What do you think?
A riot. What am I doing?
There's 6 bolts in that dampener. You're gonna buzz.
Inside of it?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Just fill them. Put the gun on it. Let it rip. Here's one.
Three. Thrice, as the Germans. Germans would say.
And as you know, you don't say 3 like this in German. Remember that guy, what's his name, killed in Inglourious Bastards. You gotta say, we're on thrice.
Thrice boozes. I don't know how you say beer.
Me either.
Brewskis.
That's Russian.
This one's hard. Is there even... What number are you on?
I wonder if Snap-on lights are waterproof.
Oh my god.
It's still on. So. Huh, they make one hell of a light.
Snap-on, we are freaking...
Time out, let me grab a rag. Here, we'll just, since it works, we'll just put it back in there so I can grab a rag. Watch it just short out.
Dude, we
now.
even did just a durability test just now for Snap-on.
I know. This video is not sponsored by Snap-on. But Snap-on, if you'd like to sponsor us, I mean, we don't say no.
No. If anybody needs kissing lessons,
That's hurtful.
hit up Danny.
We should probably just get this coolant hose out. We'll leave it for now.
I'll just take it off. I'm just gonna make the decision for us right now.
Well, I don't want to because the thing about hoses is sometimes when you disturb them, you go back together, you start driving down the road, now you got a coolant leak at that hose, and you have to replace the hose. So this hose is definitely in our way.
So you should have listened to me. We should have just took it off. Tell the people.
She was right.
I'm so glad I just got that on camera.
Yeah.
That will never happen again.
Since you're right, you can take the hose off.
Okay.
Carefully. Okay. I'm gonna remark my marks, so when we go back together, we can't be off a tooth.
Right.
You know, this belt has to go on exactly how it is.
Yeah.
So this is crucial. So with that being said, pause.
We hope you guys are liking this video so far. Unfortunately, we have to cut it in half. It ended up being too long, but the next one is coming next week.
Yes. So we hope you look forward to it.
Axie, say bye!
Bye. Like, comment, subscribe. Woo!